Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Barnaby from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing in at the top of the body. So coming over to the left hand side, leaving a gap, we're just going to curve this line up. We're going to continue to arch this down to the right. Let's move beside that now. So we're just going to draw a small straight line coming out the back there. Now coming over to the front for the lips. From that point, we're going to arch this line around, tucking that over and back in. And then from that point in the middle again, curving this over, tucking that around and back in, lining that up at the same height. Now for the bottom of the body, just curving this over and across. For the fin here, stepping up, we're gonna connect that together. And then we'll just continue to curve this around and up on the right, ending that at the same height on a diagonal. Now from the center, let's step across and we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on either side. Coming down for the bottom, lining that up at the same height, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards that fin. Now for that back fin here, from the top, we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and in on the side. And now again from the middle, just continuing to curve this around and up on the bottom. Let's come through to the top now. So just beside where this fin is, coming over on the top, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming up. We'll leave a small gap doing the exact same thing on the left. Now from that point on the bottom, we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and down right in the center. From the middle again, curving this up, over and then back in on the side. Now in the center, stepping across, we're going to draw in almost like a teardrop shape. So we're going to start at a point here, curving this around, tucking that over, connecting that back down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So lining that up at the exact same height, curving this over, and then tucking that back in. Now let's draw in a circle for the eye. So we're going to draw this over here. So coming down, let's draw in a nice big circle. And now moving in towards the middle, just drawing in another circle for that pupil. Let's go ahead and color inside of this one black. Let's draw on the pattern on the body now. So on the top, we're just going to draw in a wavy line coming down to the top of the eye. We're going to imagine that this falls through underneath, continuing to curve this around, tucking that over, and then back up. And then we'll continue to draw in a wavy line on the top of the eye here towards the top. Let's draw in another wavy line here. So on the top, just drawing in a nice thick curved line, starting to tuck that in as we come down towards our fin there. And then on the back, just drawing in another wavy line. Now coming back towards the tail, again, another wavy line. And then we're just going to go ahead and finish that off on the side to replicate that. Now on the top, let's draw in 2 diagonal lines. We'll do the exact same thing as we move through on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Barnaby from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.